Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to test the 4D haptic feedbacks test in the iQOO 7 device. So whether the 4D haptic feedbacks are working or not in the latest Call of Duty Season 6 update. Yes friends, so recently I'm getting this kind of message saying that iQOO 7, they were unable to get the 4D haptic vibrations while playing the Call of Duty, as you can see. And is running the latest version, which is a 1.70.11 as well. But my software version is still old, which is a 1.70.9. But let's see, with the latest Season 6, with the Call of Duty came, so is any kind of haptic feedbacks got impacted in this phone or not? That is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. And this is my first time doing this kind of test on the iQOO 7 device with the latest update, which is a Season 6 update. So before, I did get the haptic feedbacks, yes, but they were kind of random. They are not continuous, they were kind of random only before. But let's see right now whether at least we are able to get any kind of haptic feedbacks or not. So first try to turn on this haptic feedback option here. If it is off, try to turn on. So let me need to start firing. Let's see what is happening at this moment, whether I will be able to get any kind of haptic feedbacks or not. As I said, this is my first time playing the Season 6 update in the iQOO 7 device mainly. So that is the reason I'm really excited to see whether the haptic feedbacks got impacted in any way. I think it's not working. No. It's not working, friends. No. So with the Season 6, I think the haptic feedbacks are not working in the iQOO 7 device anymore. So not only you, my friend, I think so many people will be definitely facing this kind of issues in the Call of Duty gameplay after the Season 6 update. Exactly. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of testing. Even I am not aware of this kind of problem before. But overall, haptic feedbacks are not working at this point. I did try to increase the volume as well. I tried to increase the volume. It's not working now. Let me try to tap on the haptic feedback, and I cannot get any kind of adjustments at all. So to map the 40 vibrations, I cannot get that kind of adjustments with this Call of Duty. And overall, with the Season 6 update, it's unfortunate that iQOO 7 phone is not enabled with the 4D haptic feedback vibrations. Yes. So not only you bro, even I am facing the same problem. Even I cannot feel the haptic feedbacks in my Call of Duty game. So that may be because of the latest update which has come, maybe the Season 6. But before the update, I was able to get the haptic feedbacks. It was random, but at least I was able to get that kind of haptic feedback. But now I was unable to get that. No, I'm not getting any kind of So in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below, friends. So overall, we are not getting any kind of haptic feedback. So let me try to go to the settings and see whether we can do anything or not in this kind of haptic feedback option. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, whether you will be able to feel any kind of haptic feedbacks or not with the latest Call of Duty Season 6. So right now I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedbacks at all. No way. Completely disabled. So even I did enable in the settings as well, but still no use at all. So as you can see, it's not working. So right till now I did like the haptic feedbacks in the iQOO 7 device. This is the only phone which is offering the 40 vibrations in this kind of price range, which you can actually play in the Call of Duty and few other games. Fantastic, it's working. Perfect. It's like really strong. Top and bottom, they do have very, very strong haptic feedbacks. That is the reason I did recommend plenty of users as well. So haptic feedbacks are very strong. But right now, I'm not sure why. Maybe the game developers need to update, I think so, with the Season 6. But let's see what is going on. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, whether you will be able to are able to feel this kind of haptic feedbacks or not. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.